Learning English step by step. Easy words. Before big words, learning a new language is like learning how to walk. At first we don't run, we don't even walk. We start by crawling. In the same way, when we learn English, we should begin with simple, easy words before trying to use big and difficult ones. Many people want to speak English well and fast. That's a good goal. But if we try to jump ahead too quickly, we may fall. Just like a baby needs time to stand, walk, and then run, we need time to listen, speak, and build strong English skills. Why start with easy words? Easy words are like the building blocks of English. They help us make simple and clear sentences. These words are used every day in speaking, reading, and writing. For example, words like go, come, eat, see, good, bad, big, small are easy to learn and use. Once we know these words, we can start building short sentences like, I eat rice. She is good. We go to school. These simple sentences help us feel more confident. They also help us understand how English works. If we start with big, hard words, we may get confused and feel frustrated. Simple words. Tell big stories. Some people think using big words makes their English sound smart. But that is not always true. Even simple words can tell strong and beautiful stories. Look at this short story. A boy has a dog. The dog runs fast. The boy laughs. The sun is up. The wind is soft. They play all day. This story uses very simple words, but we can see the picture clearly in our minds. We feel the joy. We imagine the boy and his dog. That's the power of easy words, step by step, from simple to complex. When we start with easy words, we are building a strong base. Then, step by step, we can add more words. We can learn harder words later, like delicious instead of tasty, or enormous instead of big. But we must first understand how tasty and big work in a sentence. For example, easy, the cake is good. Next step, the cake is tasty. Later, the cake is delicious. Each step takes us higher, just like climbing stairs. If we skip steps, we might fall down. Practice makes progress. One of the best ways to learn English is to use it every day. Speak, write, read, and listen. Don't worry about being perfect. Just use the words you know. Speak simple English first. The more you practice, the better you get. Soon, those small words will grow into big ideas. You can talk to a friend, write in a notebook, or read short stories. You can listen to songs or watch videos with easy English. Use the language like a tool. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Be proud of small steps. It may take time to get better at English, but every small step matters. When a baby crawls, we smile. We know that the baby will walk one day. We must think the same way about learning English. Celebrate your small wins. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. That's great. Maybe you spoke a full sentence today. Wonderful. These small things are big steps in your journey. Learn like a child. Children learn languages naturally. They listen, repeat, and play with words. They don't worry about grammar too much at first. They use what they hear. That's a smart way to learn. Adults can learn like this too. Start with what you hear. Use easy words. Repeat them often. Make your own simple sentences. Slowly, your brain will get used to the language. For example, you hear, I am happy. You can change it and try. I am sad. I am tired. I am hungry. This is how learning happens, bit by bit, word by word. The goal: clear and confident English. The goal is not to sound fancy or use big, hard words all the time. The goal is to speak clearly and be understood. Easy words help us do that. They are the heart of good communication. Even native English speakers use simple words in daily life. Think about this. Please help me. Easy, polite, and clear. Would you be so kind as to assist me? More complex, but not better. Both are correct, but the first one is easier to understand for everyone. That's why learning and using easy English is smart and strong, not weak. Tips to grow your English. Here are some ways to learn English in simple steps. 1. Start small. Learn 5 to 10 easy words a day. 2. Make sentences. Use those words in short, clear sentences. 3. Repeat. Often. The more you use words, the more you remember them. 4. Speak it daily. Talk to yourself or a friend in English. 5. Watch and listen. Use videos, songs, and stories in easy English. 6. Read simple books. Choose books with easy language and short sentences. 7. Write a little. Keep a diary with 1 or 2 sentences a day. 8. Don't give up. Keep going, even if it feels hard sometimes. One day you will run. Remember, it's okay to crawl now. It's okay to take small steps. One day you will stand. Then you will walk. Then you will run. Your English will grow strong if you build it step by step, with love and care. Don't rush. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Focus on your own journey. Use easy words with pride. They are your friends. They are your start. In time, the big words will come. But today, let's enjoy the small ones. Because small words can do big things. Start small, grow strong. The right way to learn. English. Learning English is like planting a small tree. You start with a little seed. You water it every day. It grows slowly. You don't expect fruit on the first day. You wait. You care for it. And one day, it becomes a big, strong tree with green leaves and sweet fruit. This is how we must think about learning English. We start small. We begin with easy words. And then, little by little, we grow. One day, we can speak with confidence. One day, we can use big words. But before that day comes, we must learn to use the small words well. Why easy words matter? Many people think using long or hard words makes them sound smart. But that's not true. What really matters is that we speak clearly and people understand us. Easy words help us do that. They are the foundation of English. Without them, big words have no meaning. Think of these simple words: go, stop, come, eat, play, sleep, big, small, hot, cold. We can use them to say so many things. I go to school. She eats rice. The cat is small. It is hot today. These are real sentences. They are short. They are clear. They are powerful. When we use them correctly, we feel good. We feel proud. That's how confidence grows. Crawling comes first. A baby doesn't stand and run on the first day. First, the baby lies on the floor. Then the baby learns to crawl. After some time, the baby pulls up and stands. Then comes walking. And only after that, the baby runs. It's the same for us when we learn English. We don't need to start with nevertheless or consequently. Those are running words. First, we must learn to say, I am happy. You are nice. We are friends. These are crawling and walking words, but they are useful. They help us speak in real life. Use what you know. One mistake many learners make is this. They try to use big words they don't really understand. That leads to problems. Maybe the sentence becomes wrong. Maybe the meaning is not clear. Maybe the listener gets confused. But if we use words we already know, we speak better. Our sentences are correct. Our message is clear. we feel more sure of ourselves. That's why using easy words is not a weakness. It's a smart step in learning. Let's say you want to say, "I'm absolutely exhausted after the long journey." That's a hard sentence. Instead, you can say, "I am very tired. I had a long trip." It's simple, but it means the same thing. And most people will understand it better. English in everyday life. In real life, most people use simple English. Even native speakers use easy words. Here's an example. Can you help me? Simple, clear. Would you be able to assist me? More formal, but not better. Both are correct. But the first one is used more often. That's why it's smart to learn simple English first. It helps us speak with everyone, friends, teachers, workers, travelers. Easy English is not only for beginners, it is for everyone who wants to communicate clearly. The journey of learning. Learning a language is a journey. Some parts are fast, some are slow, some are easy, some are hard, but every part is important. On this journey, easy words are your first friends. They help you talk about your life. You can say, "I wake up at 6. I drink coffee. I go to work. I come home." This is how you start. Then you add more words. You make longer sentences. You ask questions. You tell stories. You grow. And one day, you use harder words too. But that day will only come if you take the small steps now. Learn like children. Children are great language learners. Why? Because they start with easy things. They listen, repeat, and use simple words every day. They don't worry about making mistakes. They just speak. We can do the same. Don't be afraid to speak easy English. Don't feel shy if your words are small. They are powerful. They help you grow. Say things like, "I like apples. The sun is bright. My name is Anna. I have a dog." Then try to change them. "I like bananas. The moon is bright." Big words will come. Later, after you are good with small words, big words will come. You will learn them step by step. First, you will hear them. Then you will understand them. Then you will use them. That is the right order. For example, start with, "The car is big." Then learn, "The car is large." Later, learn, "The car is enormous." You can't jump to enormous if you don't understand big. That's why it's so important to learn in the right order. Keep going. Don't give up. Some days you will feel slow. Some days you will feel stuck. That's okay. Every learner feels that way sometimes. The key is to keep going. Use the words you know. Practice with your friends. Talk to yourself in English. Watch videos. Read short stories. Write a few lines every day. And most of all, be patient. A little every day adds up. One word today. One sentence tomorrow. One conversation next week. One story next month. Soon, you will look back and say, "Wow, I have come so far." In the end, the goal is not just to use big words. The goal is to share your thoughts, express your feelings, and connect with people. Easy words help you do that. They open the door. They are the first step on your path. So don't rush. Don't try to run before you can walk. Learn like a baby. Speak like a child. Be proud of every small step. One day, you will speak with strength. One day, you will use big words easily. But today, let's start with the small ones. Let's crawl before we run.